Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to mint USD using Ethereum. To begin, understand that acquiring stablecoins like Tether's USD often involves converting another cryptocurrency, such as Ether, through a decentralized application or a smart contract. We will focus on the steps to achieve this, specifically aiming to obtain an equivalent of 70,000 United States dollars in USD. This process requires careful attention to detail and an understanding of the underlying blockchain mechanics to ensure a smooth transaction. Before you begin, it is essential to have your digital assets in order. First, you will need a secure and compatible cryptocurrency wallet, like MetaMask, installed and properly configured. This wallet must hold enough Ether to cover the 70,000 United States dollar equivalent in USD you wish to acquire, plus extra for network transaction fees. These fees, often called gas, are necessary to process your transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. Always ensure your wallet is funded adequately. Now, let's walk through the actual steps. First, connect your compatible wallet to the decentralized application or platform you intend to use for the conversion. Next, you will select Ether as the cryptocurrency you are providing and USD as the stablecoin you wish to receive. Carefully input the amount of Ether that corresponds to approximately 70,000 United States dollars. Before finalizing, meticulously review all transaction details, including any estimated network fees and potential price slippage, to ensure accuracy and avoid unexpected costs. When minting USD, several important considerations will help ensure a secure and efficient process. Always double-check the smart contract address of the platform you are using to avoid phishing scams. Keep an eye on the Ethereum network's congestion levels, as high traffic can lead to slower transaction times and higher gas fees. These fees can vary significantly, so plan accordingly. Finally, once your transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, always verify that the 70,000 United States dollars in USD has arrived safely in your cryptocurrency wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.